For the past couple of days, I've been using Google Maps to create this awesome side hustle. I'm going to give you an idea of how I've been doing this and how much I've been earning from this. Let's get straight into it. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you guys this awesome side hustle that I've discovered on Google Maps that I've been using to make small $27 payments over and over again. Now, this is not something that's going to make you hundreds and thousands of dollars. This is a simple side hustle just to generate a couple of bucks online. So I don't want you going into this expecting to make hundreds of dollars your first day. My payments have been coming in anywhere between $27 every second or third day, so it's a nice bit of extra pocket money here and there, and it's also really easy. It doesn't take any time and it's completely free to do. However, if you remain consistent at this full time, there are people that are now doing this full time and making thousands of dollars doing this. But since I have just started, I haven't experienced this kind of revenue return from this, but in the beginning, it does make an awesome side hustle. For example, this person over here charges about 500 Rand, which is about $30 to do this, and they've got a minimum of 442 orders. So if I quickly go and calculate this, and this is what they've been doing as well, 512 multiplied by 442, which is 226,000 Rand. If I divide this by 17, that will give you $13,000 from doing this, which is really not bad. I mean, that's completely sustainable to live off of. But like I said, you can't expect this kind of return at all in the beginning. These people have been doing this for well over a year. But in the beginning, you can expect small payments here and there, which is some great pocket money to invest into something else, which could be more sustainable. Or if you want to use that money for spending, food, entertainment, whatever, this also pays straight to your PayPal account or direct wire transfer. And with this particular video, if you watch it until the end, I'm going to show you all my tips, secrets, and tools that I used to go and make this side hustle off Google Maps. So without further ado, let's get straight into the strategy. So the two websites that you need for the strategy is one, obviously Google Maps, and secondly, paypal.com to go and get paid. However, you can use a second strategy through fiverr.com also to go and get paid, and this is the way I recommend because you can also build a sustainable business off of Fiverr, because since you're already getting sales through your service off of fiverr.com, this strategy really makes it easy to rank on Fiverr. So not only you can go and make money directly off Google Maps, you can also bring in more clients through Fiverr, which opens up two streams of traffic to your income source, in this case, our Google Maps strategy. So this is what I recommend, which I will go through just in a bit. But firstly, we need to go over exactly how we're going to make money off Google Maps. First step, come over to Google and search up Facebook Pixel Helper. Click on the first link. It's going to take you to the Chrome web store where you can go and add this extension called Facebook Pixel Helper to your Chrome browser. Once that has been added to Chrome, it will look something like this in the top right corner. There's a little code icon, click on that and you will see the Facebook Pixel Helper over here. Now, what is this tool exactly? This tool will help you and tell you what websites have different Facebook pixels connected to their Facebook page. So for example, have you ever noticed when, for example, booking for flight tickets or you're looking for hotels on Google and you then later that evening log on to Facebook and you get ads relative to flight tickets and hotels? That is because there has been a specific piece of code installed on their website to trace what you're doing on Facebook to re-promote you with those products. Now we can go and help businesses around the world set up this strategy in their business to get more sales to the door of their business via Facebook ads through the Facebook Pixel. And this tool will tell us what website has the Facebook Pixel and what websites don't. And the best thing about this is you can come over to Google Maps, zoom out, come out to any country in the world, any city, any district, for example, Egypt over here. You can scroll in on Google Maps, for example, Cairo over here, and go and choose from hundreds of different businesses in any city in the world. For example, if I open up this random car auto parts store, you'll see most of these businesses over here have their own website. You want to open up their website in a new tab, which will look something like this. Go and click on your Facebook Pixel Helper tool over here, and you will see no pixels found on this website, which is perfect. This is a client we are looking for. So we can target these people and offer them a strategy where when where if people visit their website, they will then be retargeted with their ads, whether they're selling rims, batteries, new cars, new tires, you name it, with specials on Facebook to go and get more customers through the door of their business. So what you can go and do is go and open up at least 5 to 10 different businesses in this area. For example, this one over here, leave this open in a new tab. Let's take another city, for example, and come over to the United Kingdom. We can come over to Manchester, zoom in over here and have a look at the different businesses that are in Manchester. Click on their business and over here you will see the link to their website, the midlandhotel.co.uk. So I'm going to go and open this up in a new tab. Again, if I go and click on Facebook Pixel Helper, you will see this website already has a Facebook Pixel installed. So this is a client we don't need to go and use because they already have one installed. And that's fine. Go and close this business, come back to Google Maps, and we can go and click on any other business. For example, let's go and take this hotel or little accommodation place over here. Scroll down, go and click on the website, which in this case is lockliving.com. Click on Facebook Pixel Helper, you'll see they have one installed as well. And that's okay, come back to Google Maps. Here's another sports center or gym, for example. Click on their website and let's have a look at if they've got a Facebook Pixel Helper. So here you will see, here there is no Facebook Pixel Helper installed. So this is another business that we can go and use. And take note how you can literally jump from different cities around the world and literally do this remotely off your PC. Step number 2 is really simple. Come over to Fiverr.com and go and search up Facebook Pixel. And over here you will see that people will do this for you on Fiverr.com. And what you can go and do is let them do it for you and do all the hard work for you and go and keep your markup as the man in the middle. So for example, this person over here charging $15, you can go and charge $30 for the same service. Once you secure a client on one of these websites, which I'm going to show you how to do right now, you can go and pay the same person on Fiverr.com $15 and keep $15 in your pocket. And you don't even need to do any of the hard work and set up any of these Facebook pixels. So that's going to lead us to the third step, is actually converting these businesses into clients. The first thing you want to do is you want to come over to any kind of contact us page. So here you can see, for example, they have an email over here. You can click on the email and it will most likely take you to some kind of mail setup. If you're using Gmail, it will take you to gmail.com and you can go and send them an email along the following lines. I came across your website and business in Manchester. I noticed something on your website that you can make a slight tweak to that they can help you get up to 50% more clients through the door of your business. I'm a social media marketing strategist and expert, which will help you analyze the traffic that visits your website by retargeting them with ads on Facebook after they visited your website with particular specials or packages that you offer. That way, when people visit your website, they will then be retargeted with Facebook ads from your business, giving them some kind of special or coupon on Facebook, increasing the chance of visitors visiting your website, becoming a regular customer at your business. We charge a once-off fee of $30 to set this up. If you'd like to see some of our work, visit our website page over here and leave a link to one of these Facebook Pixel experts on Fiverr.com where they can read up more about your work and information. So that way they know the type of work they're getting, they can see the reviews that your service provider gets, and there's actually two ways that you can make money from this. You can either refer them directly to Fiverr through your Fiverr affiliate link so that Fiverr will award you a commission every sale that you get through Fiverr. Or you can go and create your own landing page, get them to pay you first, and then come over to Fiverr.com and pay your service provider to do all of that hard work and keep all the money as the man in the middle, which is called drop servicing. So you can either make money from affiliate marketing with us or go and create your own gig like this on Fiverr.com. Replicate this. You can use some of the images over here as long as you give credit somewhere, and then go leave a link to your Fiverr gig on the contacts page or the email page over here. And then at the end, you can ask them a question. Would this be something you would be interested in? Kind regards, Jay from Facebook Pixel Experts, for example. And why I say this only leads to $27 or $30 sales now and then is because a lot of people are going to say no. And that's the nature of business. If the business says no, move on, look for another business on Google Maps. There are millions of them around the world, probably even billions that you can go and use, and a couple of people will end up saying yes. And you can easily make anywhere between $50 and an extra $200 a week doing this in the beginning. And as your Fiverr gig grows, it starts to rank higher and higher. And then you get to the point like these guys where they are getting consistent sales every week and every single day. So what I'm going to do is to help you out more with drop servicing strategies like this. I'm going to teach you how you can go and scale up with creating your own landing pages, launching your own email campaigns. Don't worry, I'm going to give all of this information to you for free. I'm not going to upsell you to some crazy $2,000 course. I've created hundreds of different webinars on YouTube that are completely free, which I'm going to leave on this playlist over here. It's called Drop Servicing 2022, where I go over WordPress, Builderall, Kartra, creating all of your own funnels, checkout systems, how to get paid, how to connect your service from Fiverr to your own landing page. It goes over the whole tutti. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more, I recommend go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.